Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So I'd like to show you this operation on the standard browser which is pre-installed on this device. So let me tap on it, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on privacy and security. And as you can see, right here we've got the sections which we can remove manually one by one. So we can either clear cache, clear history, clear cookies, form data, location access, and clear passwords. So let me show you how to, for example, clear the history. Just tap on this option and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, whenever something will be cleared, the option will be inactive. So you can, of course, do it with all other options which are available right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.